So this is the water pipe and the thermostat housing. The thermostat is installed here, and now to install it, and this is for the thermostat bypass. This is the front coolant housing. It's where the ECT sensor and the thermo sensor is installed. Now to install it, so just have to check this thermostat if it's still okay before installing it in the Mazda Millenia V6 engine. So you will see here the thermostat fully opened already. There. So it's the fully open position. So it's the fully open position of the thermostat bulb. And it's slowly closing again because I removed it from the hot water. There. And now to install the thermostat. The thermostat is installed here at the bottom of the thermostat housing.